Okay, boom. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my babes. Me that yourself, I tell you no what I go on for not to go on. You see me? So let's just kick it off with dancehall artist Flippa Mafia. Yes. Sad story, me not gonna lie to you. Man get a second chance and blew it. You see me, I say, him couldn't take, the normal, law-abiding citizen life. Him did have one good job. Jerking and frying chicken at one restaurant, but him gone back to more than fish scale in business and I deal with methamphetamines. You see, you don't know the things that we talked about the wiretaps, we talk about the betrayal in friend of my snitch pan him, we talk about all of that, and people them was mentioning his karma and mentioning Marsha at the same time, because that was basically his common law wife, get her caught up in that drugs business. She served 20 odd years and them dip her, and I guess him never look back on her. This is I say, but hear this now, because him ex-girlfriend you see on the screen, right? Send a screenshot to her story and send me and say, yo, girl, I move like one informer. And she not trustable and she a pop things about Flippa and who did encourage him. Because two girls did upon the transcript with him. You see, I said. So nevertheless, this is what she had to say about the whole ordeal, and people shouldn't be mentioning her name and all of this good stuff. So she went on to say, y'all need to stop calling me name. If one of favorite did really listen, him winning the in this situation right now. But all of the crosses, hype, and hungry belly people on his effing phone never allow him to become the best version of himself. The same people where did a cheering man the delusion are the same ones tearing him down. Funny how that works. Keep my name out of Unuh mouth, because reading with understanding is fundamental. But then again, half of y'all dog-ish cannot read. Problem in the comment section, whoa. You really can tell by the nature of this transcript, Flippa really checked for these girls, like my confiding in them, you see me? So it looked like some jealousy run, because, the girls, them never really said much sorry about that. Them never said much more than and yeah, and encourage him not to go back into the foolishness for hype and all of them thing there. And as you can see on the transcript, he might talk about him lamb truck him wanting, right? And then me buck up on this video with him not using prop money. And the lamb truck, so boy, them I could get him for money laundry amongst a lot of things, And Rico business. And this is the second transcript with the second female in question that she indirectly mentioned. You see, my people. Now, before we proceed to the next topic, let me just deal with that fast your righteous, because you have a lot of fraudulent bloggers out here like to steal Kingmixup content and take credit for it. You see, my so let's discredit them in a one tree. You see me? So this guy's a cokehead vlogger who are cloud chaser for everybody name for fame. Mention me in the comment section when somebody said you did not break the story first. Yes, I saw it somewhere else, and the person said, I broke the story because I was called on my phone and told about it before Kingmixup, so I broke it. Really? Wow. Problem in the comment section now, because me just clock it and get the timestamp, because ninjas lie, women lie, but numbers don't. And as you can see in front of you, I posted my story 9:59 a.m. approximately like 9 hours after me get the call. Come get the call at 12:37 a.m. per Mother's Day. As you can see, the screenshot of my message. You see me say, as well as the screenshot of my initial post with the time and date stamp. And when we check him stamp, it's hours after mine. At least 3, 4, 5 hours after me drop my story, him drop Fame story, isn't it? So I'm just discrediting himself. And when him drop Fame story, him used allegedly. What? Is your source not credible? You're just running with things people tell you and not verifying it. You see me, I said, because he never cite me as on a blood clot reference. You see me? And all them do are plagiarize me caption them and go on like say him come up with them speech and all of these things. That's why me never accept none of your collaboration, because you're a scammer. You see me, I say my peeps. Anyway, let's proceed to the next, because several months ago, almost a year ago, September 2025, we did a review saying Rygin King snitched on blam blam and Cray man. You see me, I say I know we see in media reports that Cray man has been picked up by ICE, and blam blam did it, Rygin King did it, and Cray man did it. Problem in the comment section, because Here is a screenshot of a conversation between me and my industry insider. As you can see the date, and I responded, "Are you recording? Audio low on my end, but I'm hearing little still. I heard some better if you record. Anything with Rygin? I lost the recording with him snitching. Did you record that call?" Yes, my people, and as you can see right here, me say, I'm more interested who's sending that video there with Blam Blam and Cray man, because the sender told me on the phone whoever introduced that evidence wanted to make sure Rygin King was found guilty. And this is why I said this smell like federal RICO business, right? Because Rygin King get caught with a switch, so that's a federal charge. If the state drop, the feds pick it up and say them witness to him being around gangsters and guns. Listen, man, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, me not longer, this no longer, so do the right thing and subscribe to the King. Listen, man, I say, and turn on the notification bell and press all. And do not forget to check out these next suggested videos on the screen. In the meantime, say, bless.